Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will discuss about cloud very important for any technical, those people who are technical background, those who are preparing for interview, engineering background, technical background. So let's start the video without wasting time. Let's first introduce what is cloud. Cloud means network or internet. You know, you people are already seen the cloud, how it looks like, just like that. Imagine like that. Present at remote locations. Provide services over network. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services. So what are the computing services provided exactly? Servers that is provided, databases provided, storage provided. These are the computing services provided in the cloud computing. Cloud applications are those which are accessible through the internet. Means you can access through email, you can access through web conferencing. So these are the things. Next, look like this. This is a cloud. Inside the cloud, applications are there, infrastructure is there, and storage are there. And many user, you can see many user can access this cloud computing. Okay. Next one, types of cloud computing. Basically, divide into two types, that is the deployment models, based on the deployed models, and next one is service models. So based on the deployed models means how the cloud is located. It is private located, it is public located. That is the thing, service model on which the cloud computing is based. So these are the basic two types of the cloud computing. Now let's see one by one. First one is deployment models. Deployment models, here there are four types: public cloud, private cloud, community cloud, and hybrid cloud. Public cloud, easily accessible to the general public, anyone can access. Private cloud, accessible within our organization, private, other than organization's employee, no one can access. That is the private cloud. Community cloud, accessible by a group of organizations. A group of organizations only can access this, other cannot. Hybrid cloud, mixture of public and private cloud. So some of the part public can access, some of the part public cannot access. So it is a mixture of public and private cloud. So these are the four types of deployment models. Next one is very important, that is a service model. That is IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. So you can understand IaaS full form, infrastructure as a service. PaaS, that is a platform as a service. SaaS, that is a software as a service. What is IaaS? IaaS provide access to resources such as physical and virtual machines, virtual storage, etc. What is PaaS? That is it provides runtime environment for applications, development, and deployment tools. What is SaaS? That is the SaaS model allows to use software application as a service to end user. So these are the service model. Now have a look about advantages. What are the main advantages of the cloud computing? Why cloud computing are important? Because of number one point is mobility, as a cost saving, it is a high speed, reliability, then backup and restore, and then the quick deployment. So these are the main advantages of the cloud computing. Now let's see the disadvantages. The first one, that is the security related disadvantages are there. Security are very less. Performance can vary. Performance also can vary from place to place. Internet connectivity also is a problem. If a proper internet connectivity is not there, cloud computing can be a big problem. Then technical issues. If all the connections, that is the resources and other things, are not available, then there is a problem for the cloud computing. So these are the main advantages of the cloud computing. Hope you understand what is cloud computing, what are the types of the cloud computing, what are the features of the cloud computing, what are advantages and what are disadvantages of the cloud computing. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share, and comment. Thank you.